Hey y'all, Christopher Griffith, Debt Does Deals. Today's video is specifically for those of you out there who are still renting your homes. I want to explain to you and walk you through just a few points real quick that illustrate the finances and the numbers behind your decision. If you haven't seen a rent versus buy scenario for the house that you're currently renting, and you don't know the actual number that you're walking away from every single month, you need to reach out to me. It's a ridiculously large number. You are throwing thousands of dollars away every single year, and most likely will continue to. The second thing that I want to talk to you about is the cost of waiting. If you haven't actually seen, again, a tangible number behind the cost of you waiting 1 year, or 2 years, or 3 years to purchase, then you need to reach out also. That number's staggering as well. And what you're ultimately going to realize when you go through that failed reasoning is this. In 2012, 13, and 14, I stood by in Colorado and I watched families wait because they were anxious about rising property prices, rising interest rates. And so they decided, you know what, we're just going to wait, we're going to keep renting, and we'll react later when the market slows down. And ultimately, here's how that played out for them. At the end, they could no longer even afford to buy the ugly house that they wouldn't consider on day one. That's the nature of time and effect in real estate, guys. It's costing you a ton of money. The third thing I want to leave you with is if you're working with a lender right now and all they're doing is trying to shop interest rates or fees for you and give you the best deal out there, I got news for you. That's a baseline service. If your lender isn't shopping for the best product out there, what are they doing? That's a very basic kind of a thing. Ultimately, the independent mortgage advisor or the person that you have representing you should be speaking to you about all of the other financial aspects of your decision making during this process. Because whether you're going to rent for another 6 months, whether you're going to wait for another 2 years, there are actual hard numbers that are going to illustrate the folly of your reasoning. And I want to show those to you. So reach out to me. Shoot me a phone call at 903-815-7537 or send me an email to Christopher@debtdoesdeals.com. And I'll send you over exact illustrations that show you precisely what your decisions are doing to your bank account. Until then, y'all be blessed.